Soldering mistake number 5 is the copper pipe has been incorrectly inserted into the fitting. This picture shows the cutaway of a fitting. Notice how the copper pipe has not been fully inserted into the fitting. This will result in a weak connection that's prone to leaks. This next picture shows the same cutaway of a fitting. Notice how the copper pipe has been fully inserted into the fitting. This will result in a strong connection that's not prone to leaks. Always be sure the copper pipe is cut straight and square to ensure a good fit within the fitting. Always be aware of any opposing force that might move the copper pipe during soldering, causing it to no longer be fully inserted into the fitting. This is especially true when working on vertical pipes with the opposing force of gravity. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky. Wait.